What's up? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's random video. It's a little bit windy, but hopefully you can hear me. I have something pretty cool here. There are going to be some headlights for the Ford Focus. We're going to try them out, see how they look. I haven't even yet opened these. As you can see, we're opening it together. And no, I didn't open it and re-taped it. So we're gonna get the same experience. I bought them on eBay. It was I guess like a combo kit. Well, it was a combo kit. Man, it's windy out here. It was a combo kit, headlight and light bulbs. I think my bulbs are D2S. Packaging. Got some pretty thick foam. And then the foam and the headlight itself. Oh God. Since they'll be the same, let me go ahead and take this off before bad things happen. All right, here we go. All right, make sure you guys get a good view on this. Man, the thing is pretty big. I don't remember my my headlights being this big, but okay. So I'm assuming this is the passenger side. Seems like. So there's some new LEDs. LED, new modern type. This is what the back looks like. I think it's supposed to be a plug and play. So I bought the combo was from Vland themselves, so they should know what they're doing, but I think I'm going to have to drill a hole. Oh no, this grommet comes out. Perfect. I believe this grommet comes out right here, so it should be good because I don't want to drill a hole in anything. I know they had another combo that said plug and play. These are just wires, I guess, for the ballast to be in there. These are projection, and they had the option of doing LED or HID with the ballast. I chose the HID because as being projection, I don't think I've read a couple things with HIDs not being, LEDs not being really good with projection headlights right here, which that's what it is. HIDs are better for that, so we'll just give them a shot. I'm going to remove this once. And why do I have, is this? Okay. That looks just like dirt. And here they are. Supposed to be like this down here is like yellow, the turning signal, the projection, and then I guess the daytime running lights in white up there. Now what I'm gonna do is actually ceramic coat these, or not ceramic coat these inside though. Okay, so now it's unwrapped, as you can see. Probably you see a little bit better. I am going to coat them, ceramic coat them with Diamond Protect diamond body. It's pretty good. This is what I've used on the Focus itself. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for the headlights before installing them. A little bit of dust just came in. I did clean them, but because the garage is open, let's give it one wipe. Oh, there we go. All right. This is the applicator that came with it. Here we are with the second one. Man, they look nice. Okay, we're back with the second one. Give it a small shake. I already mixed it, but there's a place back here. I mean, it's under the headlight, but it's already out, right? Why not just do it? Okay, that's pretty much it. Wait for a couple minutes, 15 minutes, then buff it off. To continue with this unboxing, I forgot to show you that they come with the harness themselves. Two of these, one for each light. I guess this is the easy plug and play method. We'll find out once the coating is dried up and buffed off. We'll let the wind die down here a little bit. And then these, like I said, it was the combo kit. They had the LED, but unfortunately for my order, they were out of the bulb. And that's when they gave me an offer that they could send some other ones out here. I did some research, and that's when I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna go with the LEDs because they're not real, they don't work well with projection. The HIDs work better with the projection, so I haven't opened these, as you could tell. So I don't even know how they look like. Where's Alright, so this is just the ballast. Two ballasts in here. And then I'm assuming these are the bulbs themselves. Yep. Okay. So these are, the LEDs will be D2S, I believe. These are D2H. All right, so here we are with the new headlight. After I put the coating on it, I just waited about 15 minutes, then took another microfiber towel and just wiped it off, buffed it off. But man, this thing looks super cool. It looks a lot bigger than what I thought it was. But let's see if we let's go ahead and set this up. So we have one ballast. We'll leave that here. We have one of these connectors, and as you can see, one light bulb. Well, that's not right. There we go. Be very careful. Okay, so in the back of this, I put the plastic there because I don't want it to scratch, obviously. You have a female and a male side. Now I unscrewed the cap where the leg bolt goes. Like I said, I'm assuming this comes off. because it's similar to this right here. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, I'll just take that one right off. Does it fit? Oh, barely. Nope, it fits. Yeah. Put all the connectors through there. This works a lot better, so I don't have to cut anything. All right, and then kind of make this seal again. See how you got that there? Little opening. So I guess they really did think of, they build their products to work with each other, where you don't have to make a hole. I know if you would have gotten, or if I would have gotten a different one, I would have had a drill. Bam, right there. Okay, got two connectors here. That's for the ballast. Or should be for the ballast. Let's see. Well, the ballast goes on the outside. That one goes there. This ballast is pretty heavy. Got some good weight to it. And then the rest of these connectors. Right. That one goes there. Nope. That one goes there. And I'm assuming these two, it's for this right here. Like that. However, oh, you know, black with black, red with green. I don't see any instructions that came with this thing. The only thing that came was this. That's pretty much it. Just shows you the two covers and the adjustment screws, pretty much. Left and right and up and down. That is all. So I'm assuming this harness, it is what goes here, and then the one from the vehicle goes here, but and then we got one connector here. It's only a 1 pin. I'm curious what that one goes to. Let's see what these look like. We'll see what the vehicle itself has, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to take this out. That will be easier to install. Everything else should be already hooked up. There is a cover down here. Let's see what's in here. So we shall see where this goes. What does it even say? It says adapter for a part number without motor. That's what that says. So maybe I might not need it. We'll see. You know what I just noticed? That really just got me like, man, this company's pretty good now. There's a square right here. I'm assuming, can I put this ballast in here? I mean, it's a perfect line for it. Like that. You know what I mean? It's got some holes in it. I don't know. Let's see how that works. Just want to give you an update to a small change that I did. So I don't ruin the bulb. I went ahead and just connected the bulb inside with those, the green and the black and the green and the red. Excuse me, the red and the black inside here. That way I'll just mount that and then mount the ballast afterwards. So here it is. everything that came in with the bulb kit. That way this is ready to be mounted, and I don't have to finagle with the bulb and risk me breaking it or something like that. So let's go ahead and mount this up, so you guys can see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and mount this, and we should be pretty much done with one side. So here you go with the removal of the headlight. Just want to show you your OEM stock. Of course, this black thing is not OEM. This is how I got it when I bought the car. I guess he was trying to make it look sporty. You can see a little bit of yellowing, which if you haven't seen my video about the Cerakote headlight restoration kit, oh man, you got to see that. Pretty cool product there. So I'll probably go ahead and do the same video or another video using these headlights, but let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, so this one only has one harness here. And there it is. There's one. So you want to take out that harness. Let's put this away. Good old Fomoco, Ford Motor Company. Perfect. It is the passenger side. All right. That's how that's gonna go. So remember, I already set up everything with this inside here. This just needs to be plugged into the ballast, and then this, I guess that's where this thing goes. Which I don't know, it's a little bit funky because why wouldn't that just go straight in here? But I don't know. We'll find out when I turn it on. Oh, wait. Why is that not plugging in? You know, I might not even need that then. Yep. Okay. So that's that. Because this does say without motor adapter for the one without the motor, but I don't know what motor they're talking about. The motor inside the headlight, those fancy ones, I'm not sure, but I just went ahead and attached it directly to that. So let's go ahead and get the ballast. So that square is not part. There's no way to mount that. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's all she wrote. Let's check once again. This is able to be mounted on here. That would have been like the best thing ever if this could have been mounted on here. It seems like it can. I don't know. Although those holes don't have any like threads on it. But before we mount it completely and secure it, I don't want this to catch into anything. Let's just turn it on and see what happens. Okay, car is on, headlight is on. All right, so okay, well that one works. Just the daytime running, I'm not sure. The headlight works, as you can see. Let's try the turning, or the daytime running should have been on. Give me a second. That's passenger, right? You hear the blinking. Okay. Oh man, so cool. You can see the yellow sequential. Now let me turn off the headlight itself and see. Let's see if you guys could see it. Let me turn off the headlight and the turning signal. Turning signal's off. Headlight is off. The daytime runnings are supposed to be on. Is the vehicle supposed to be on? Let's see if the vehicle's supposed to be on. Alright, so the motor's on. Vehicle's completely on. Headlight, the main projection headlight is off. Let me do. All right, I don't think the headlight, excuse me, the daytime running ones are turning on. The projector ones do for sure. But now I gotta figure out why isn't the daytime running on. Oh, actually, I don't even think my stuff has daytime running lights, now that I think of it. But let's go ahead and put this back here and check it out. Old headlight, new headlight, old headlight, new headlight. I think that looks pretty good. Now, this is supposed to be the running light right here, this strip. Here, you can see it's on. So, a little bit of dirt there. I think I know what I did wrong. Remember how I said that other adapter didn't fit? Yeah, lies. It does fit. Let me go ahead and fix that. I'll show you right now. Remember how I first said, oh, this doesn't fit? Something with the motor, whatever this says? No, it did fit on the other side. I apparently didn't become man enough to just throw it in there. So, the car's on, the headlight is off though. Let me show you how to show you the quick fix. The back part, this right here, the main plug again. Oh, I don't want to scratch it. So I removed the OEM harness. This is the adapter or the harness that came with it. So we are gonna plug this in here. I just somehow, I don't know, I somehow didn't line it up properly and immediately thought that it wasn't working. So there's that. So it's reinstalled. Ta-da! This is super simple. I just made it a lot more difficult than what it is. So, super simple. Like if you ever debate thinking about taking it to like a mechanic or something, nah, just do it yourself. Was like, besides me redoing it, it would have been taking like 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes for everything. So let me go ahead and turn this on. The hazards should be on right now. It's daylight, but they are shining together. Now it turns on. Now you can see all around it. I'm sure you can see it on the camera now. All right, so here's nighttime. Damn, these things look pretty sick. Now I've turned on the actual headlight themselves. Gives it a much better look. This thing looks legit. You can see there it is a straight line on the car, so that's pretty good, but you could adjust it as you want. Again, super cool. All right, so I parked it the other way. This is pretty much of a straight line from stock on how it is. As you can see, you could tell by like this is one headlight and this is the other headlight. But pretty good. I just came back from a little from a little trip just to see how it looks. Ironically, the other ones that I've had, people were acting like if I had my high beams on, but so far I hadn't gotten any flashes. You see a lot of glare here, which it doesn't do any justice, but these look dope. Let me see how the high beams are. Okay, those are the high beams. Maybe the right one could go a little bit up. As you can see, yeah, I think now that I look at it, maybe this one could go just a little bit higher. You can see this high beam, it goes to this line where this one just falls a little short. Let's try this again. You see that? But I'm telling you, man, maybe right there, it looks pretty dope. Like I said, the glare right now is not doing it any justice, and if you turn off the high beam, the headlights themselves, then all you get is this right here, this ring around it. Let me show you the turning signal right there. Now you can see it better because it's nighttime. I might replace that one, but look how that looks. Yeah, I want to replace the one on the mirror now. But there it is. You guys tell me, how do you like it? If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer as much as I can. I'm gonna leave a link of where I got them from eBay on the description. So cool, man. Thank you guys for checking this out. Hope you like it. I know I do, and I'll catch you guys on another random video.